This is Project Moto, an ECD custom Defender 110 built to our client's exact specification. Moto is finished in an eggshell dark grey with black accents all around. Moto sits on 20-inch Cairn Mondale retro wheels with BFG all-terrain tyres. This 110 features a full external 6-point roll cage, classic front bumper with worn winch, 4 high-level LED spot lamps up front and a black steering guard. Inside, Moto features a standard Nardi Challenge steering wheel, wrapped in black leather, with autocross grey gauges, 2 Exmoor trim modular front seats, a 60/40 split mid-row, and 4 jump seats in the rear. Each seat is finished in vertical diamond Garrett Cadence licorice leather, stitched together in black. This 110 is powered by our superb 650 horsepower LT4 engine with 8-speed automatic transmission. It also features an array of modern elements such as JL Audio sound system, Apple CarPlay, wireless charging, rear AC, and access to USB ports throughout. The performance in these LT4 powered Defenders is absolutely mind-blowing, as is the sound from that supercharger. It's truly a fine blend of English design meeting American performance.